My friends, the key words in today's gospel is to remain in Jesus, to dwell in Him, and to abide in Him. And our Christian life, our Christian vocation is all about being close to Jesus, to abide with Jesus, to dwell in Him. Our Christian vocation calls us to do the same. And therefore, Jesus speaks a beautiful image in today's gospel, the vine and the branches. Now, a question might pop up in your mind. What does the vine needs the branches? What does the vine needs the branches? The vine needs the branches to bear fruit. And so Jesus needs us to bear witness to His word, to share the gospel with others. And therefore, we need to remain in Him. And when we remain in Him, Jesus remains in us. Secondly, we are called to remain in Him not passively. Not passively. It's not about passive remaining, it's about active remaining. And when we actively remain in Jesus, remain close with Jesus, we'll be able to follow the commandments that God has given to us. We'll be able to follow the Beatitudes. We'll be able to do the works of mercy. When we remain in Jesus, when Jesus remains in us, we'll be able to be compassionate to others. We'll be able to listen to the stories of others without any judgments. And therefore, this image, the vine and the branches, speaks about the mutual remaining. It's about mutual remaining. I remain in you, you remain in me. So, question that we need to ask ourselves, what is this relationship between Jesus remaining in us and we remaining in Him? What kind of relationship it is? It is an intimate relationship. It is a mystical relationship. It is a relationship with no words. My friends, when we speak about the vine and the branches, we often remember about the vine grower, the person who grows wine. He is the person who prunes the fruit the branches that bears fruit. He is the person who cuts down, throws the branches that does not bear fruits. And likewise, Jesus corrects us each and every time when we make mistakes. He does not judge us, but He corrects us when we make mistakes. He gives us opportunities. He gives us chances to live a better life. And therefore today, Jesus is asking us, which is most important, to remain in Him more intimately, more mutually, just as the vine and the branches. Amen.